Hello everyone and welcome back to Placements Nepal. Today we have an exciting opportunity for Django developers. So if you are passionate about web development and have experience with Django framework, this could be a perfect job for you. So Study Info Center is a platform that helps students find their best education providers and pursue their preferred courses at educational institutions worldwide. So they connect students with their of educational opportunities in various study locations across the globe. So this was about the company. Coming to the job description, as a Django developer at Study Info Center, you will collaborate with their development team to design, develop, and maintain web applications using the Django framework. Your responsibilities will include translating object requirements, project requirements into technical specification, and writing clean, efficient Python code, integrating external APIs, conducting thorough testing, and optimizing application performance. So, talking about the requirements, you should be proficient in Python programming. You should have strong knowledge and experience with Django. You should be familiar with web development technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should be experienced with front-end frameworks library. You should be understanding the relational databases and SQL. You should be familiar with version control system, and the preferable is Git. And you should be able to work independently and within a team. You should be excellent problem solving and debugging skills, and you should have strong attention to detail and commitment to high quality code. So you should have good communication skills and ability to collaborate efficiently. So to the education and experience, bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or related field or equivalent experience. So here they are asking minimum 2 years of work experience in Django development. But if you are good in Django, then don't be behind. Apply. So how can you apply to this position? So to apply to this position, mail your resume to the mail address that is being flashing on your screen. So if you get selected, they will reply back to the same mail that you have sent. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more job and internship related content. Thanks for watching.